So now in his sixth phase, he wrote that good life. It is essential to be the worshipper and grateful of God. And it is also necessary to follow the method of prophet. It is necessary to follow the method of one guardian is necessary to give importance to elders. One guardian is necessary in one family. One object of all the family members is a must. The consultation of family is must. Before doing anything, discussion is essential. The guardian will tell us whose consultation is correct. The decision of the guardian shall be accepted by everyone. In case the decision of the guardian is wrong, then you may lodge a complaint with the Mufti Sahab or the president of Godwill organization for seeking solution. If you are not satisfied with the decision of Godwill organization, then you may approach to court. The guardian of the family will be the elderly person. If there is no any elder man in the family, then woman can become the guardian. After the completion of study, the male children of a family, then immediately they should do the work without becoming burden on the family. Do your own work yourself. He who gets the responsibility should fulfill the same. One should not humiliate one another and should give importance to one another and give respect and should not hate. In case there is complaint against anyone, then place the same before the guardian and get your heart cleaned by giving up enmity and should help one another meet anyone by smiling. You respect to elders and do not break the relationship and forgive the mistakes. Do not leave the person causing loss with evil intention till he seeks pardon. Punish the one who resort the same act even after seeking pardon. And when anyone complains, then the secret comes to an end. The person doing justice may interfere. Do not overlook objectionable and wrong deeds. You may stop them. Wife can give advice and husband should consider. The advice of wife is in case the same is beneficial, then the husband should act upon the same in a manner that wife should not be displeased upon your refusal. The wife should not show the weaknesses of the husband to anyone and should not humiliate the husband. On the other hand, should encourage the praise of another man should not be made before him. Whatever is brought for you, the same may be gladly accepted. Do not go against the liking and love of husband. If it is must to make the liking and love of husband to make your own, it is necessary to give importance and respect to the wife. It is wrong to keep the wife under pressure and fear. It is the responsibility of the husband to accomplish all the legitimate necessities of the wife. To seek the monetary help from the wife is nothing but the insult of manhood. The person committing atrocities on wife is a hellish person. The purchases and sales may be made by the husband and wife together, but should not cross the status. Whatever is available with you, save from the same. Since seeking monetary help from others, and it is the insult of your family. What is that? Seeking monetary help from others. It is the insult of your family. It is necessary for you to know the monthly income of yours. Save at least some amount for the purpose of fulfilling the demands of the necessities of your life. Do not purchase anything on credit. Do not pledge anything in case of trouble. The same should be sold and purchase the same, and when the condition becomes favorable. You should make the promise after fully thought over yourself. You should fulfill the promise made by you, which is very essential. Whatever is money is available with you, the same may be spent and make your livelihood from the same. You should not waste even the single hours of your life. You should not humiliate your husband after seeing the progress of others. You should not demonstrate your false status before others. You should not hide your mistakes before others. Before other person. You should seek pardon after speaking truth. One date may get fixed every month for family meeting. All should sit together. In case there is any trouble and displeasure with anyone, the same should be shown without hesitation. You should provide an opportunity to clear his position on which the allegation has been leveled. All should make plan together and become agreed on this plan. All should become the strength. After the marriage, daughter can't sit in the family meeting. However, she can give advice, but cannot interfere. Since after the marriage, the daughter becomes relative, not the family member. The daughter-in-law will participate in the meeting as a member. The daughter-in-law will be along with us in joy and trouble. The daughter-in-law will be enjoying the respect and importance on par with our other family members. The daughter-in-law should admit that her own people, the people should trust the daughter-in-law and accept her and teach her the methods of your family. In the manner you forgive the mistakes of your daughter, you should forgive the mistakes of your daughters-in-law. All should assure her that the house is of hers. The guardian should show the account of income and expenditure in the monthly meeting without being asked. Meeting of justice to everyone is must. The arrangement of right, it is rightful person is essential. It is also necessary to see everyone equal. The importance of everyone is essential. The importance of everyone is essential. It is necessary to become responsible and make responsible. It is necessary to question on failure. It is essential to give reply to the responsible person. It is necessary to rectify the committed mistake. The father will be responsible till the marriage and for future marriage of the son. He can give something if he wants. If the father doesn't want to give anything, then the son cannot demand right from his father. Whatever shall remain during the lifetime of the mother and father, all the same belongs to the parents. After the death, whatever shall remain, the same shall belong to the son and daughter. As per the religion, the son should deposit the 10th share of his income for the expenses of his parents, and the 1/10 share from his income be deposited for the old age. If his wife for 20 years, the same will become support for your old age. After completing her work, the daughter-in-law should help the mother-in-law in her work. Till that time, the son become accomplish the responsibility of his wife. He should not be get married. The alliance be God fixed without any demand. You should not fix alliance by speaking falsehood and by playing fraud. The alliance should be fixed in the family having equal status. The relative should be ready to help one another at all times and help them when there is feast of any relative or if the death of anyone takes place. It is essential to participate in the same for everyone. In case any relative is poor and performing the marriage of his daughter, it is essential to help him as per our respective capacity. If there is any widow in your family or if any sick person can't get treatment, it is necessary to help him as per your capacity. If you happen to attend the marriage of any poor person, you should render help as per your capacity. You should accept the invitation of the marriage of any rich person and come back after thanking him. You should not give presentation and help which are given should be given with the hope that the same will be returned tomorrow. In your marriage, you can give advice to anyone in whose marriage you are going, but you cannot compel. We can help but cannot interfere. You are the guest of the function of the marriage. You can't cause disrespect to anyone. You should not disturb the joy of others. There should not be such act which may cause trouble to anyone. You should praise the liking of others and express your happiness without demonstrating your liking. In case there is lacking any hospitality, then should not humiliate and forgive him. It is essential to be good neighbor with your neighbor. It is necessary to participate them in your joy. In case a poor person is in need of money, it is essential to help him. It is essential for everyone, every family to be associated with group of his mosque. It is necessary to help them, their difficulties. No human being is completely good or bad. No human being is completely good or bad. In every human being, there are some qualities and certain shortcomings. You should appreciate the good qualities and support the same and make comment on the shortcomings. You should not break the relationship on account of any one shortcoming. Note, there is some more aspects of good life. There is some more aspects of good lifeline from which the way of better life is got from it. Make it yourself associated with God will organization and prove the opportunity of your guidance and become the part of the success of one object.